Good evening out there. I had to see it for myself. Its silence forced me back inside. Only traffic, no figures of numbers or possible estimate passengers, but constant vehicles revealed this wasn't midnight. Even if classed and examining at this late in the evening, time is misrepresented with storefronts off switch closed. You've missed the last train, whatever public transport, etc. Not concerned your age or date, but experience in life. You've missed last transport, yes. Timetables still running, sunlight at midnight, nuclear explosion, illumination working in reverse, breathing in the dust, seeing reading fonts. Imagine missing last transport, but still having the afternoon sun. Top for containment, driven underneath in tunnel. The first stop of fear, press, activate beacon. Today for a change, ran across road screaming. The streets quieted before, due to sport, but never this withdrawn and silent. Just footsteps, never guessing in the houses, the number of people looking outwards. And for all this, can it really save them? It was paradise for the socially declined, but it was the eve of the biological war. In a war, we all stick together, but this is exactly where you stand. May not be suitable for users of assistive technology. The bricks hold more value than you. Doors and windows can bargain against or held as collateral. The staircase keeping greater nerve than flesh and bone required negotiations. Castle and home a lie spin undone. Local governance despising the private. Why can't it have all? Everything of brick and mortar. Two stake on a table where another house wins. Make residency closer to nomadic beats. Fire bone and flesh through hose. Whatever brick paint hardest is ownership. Taken as green signal to let fresh creeps breathe. Bricks and mortar integrity from toiling bones pay. Until no more bets, chance, or purpose, the brick construction regaining value from the next group of nomads captured. The castle as home myth died before love did, and if nomadacy is kept in perpetuity, will chew the bays and removed by ground keep. The size of the engine trucks, ferocity of power from hose, the number of people in free fall, smashing against more valued doors. The staircase kept the straightest face. Companies kept on being pleased. Where it stands, property now having more value than belittled you and even destroyed me. The future denied visitors who look forward to see a ghost town. Tactics always change, a fear winding up museum display. Constant bricks and mortar valued, the collected heartbeats of identity. You all going round, you hate going round, but how about Heal Heel Park? The skeletal frame of a roller coaster, onto which fitted wheel seating. Garish moulded plastic collins. In its silence, no path and running current, except for beds in the sky theme park, abandoned except for giant tent building. The envelope opened up, hand around throat, sent to every house in town. And from source, iron doors, air conditioning to breathe out. The arms of cranes that weld, hardened styrofoam two-seater carriages, not again to bring pleasure, commandeered premises managed, a cure or a shield for those nearest, the race to defeat infected, endangered, and from source number letter code brings complaints of superstitious hold. Whatever mouse created in theme park, from perspective of trolley bound, does it look attraction screaming? Their job so gallows must, driven to laboratory where tent builds, then frontline, but do they pass? Travelling past roller coaster grounded, out into Concord motorway, and from source block from earth, gauntlet slap to challenge others here. The dust blown logs dancing, if considerating generators music.